medical supplies needed. If the farmers didn't farm, the packers didn't pack, the truckers didn't truck, we would have been out of food within like 3 days, but they kept us and sustained us. And, you know, it's amazing. There is disdain, unfortunately, around the country for the people that do all the working and living and surviving in this country, and then they're viewed as, flyover country. Well, I happen to love the people of flyover country, including South Dakota, so thank you for everything.
Yes, Sean. Help us tell
I'm looking at my schedule, see if I can get away.
That's right, you do it. You come see us, and because I really think that South Dakota can be an example to the nation, and we've got the best people there is. So we'll change your life. Come enjoy our state.
Okay. I will, Governor. Great to talk to you again. Glad to have you on often. 800-941-SEAN. You want to be a part of the program. We'll get to a lot of calls here, a lot in the news, a lot you want to comment on. And we've left wide open the final hour for your calls. Straight ahead, 800-941-SEAN. You want to be a part of the program as we continue.
The forgotten man is forgotten no more. This is the Sean Hannity Show.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
With all the uncertainty right now, everyone's top priority has to be safety. Now, protecting your vehicle, that's also crucial when you're out on the road with you and your family. Whether you're on the front lines as an essential worker, getting supplies for your family, we all rely on our cars. That's why you need CarShield. CarShield.com, they take the worry away from car repairs. They provide affordable protection plans to save you thousands. Now, plans are customizable as low as $99 a month. No long-term contract, no commitments. You pick your favorite mechanic, or if you prefer the dealership to do the work, CarShield handles all the rest. They also offer a complimentary 24/7 roadside assistance, and they give you a rental car while your car is being fixed. Now, CarShield.com is proudly American-owned and the #1 auto protection company in the nation. Call now, 800-CAR-6000, mention my name, Hannity, or go to CarShield.com, promo code Hannity, you'll save 10%. CarShield.com, 800-CAR-6000.
A deductible may apply to some plans.
Bill O'Reilly here with a big announcement. I am back on television. Please watch me weeknights, 8 p.m. Eastern, on a brand new free network called The First. The First is available on your smart TV, computer, even your mobile phone. Let's face it, 2020 will go down as one of the most bizarre years in American history. Pandemic, impeachment, the upcoming election. Our leaders are struggling. The media totally out of control. Pundits parade from channel to channel with nothing but speculation and BS. Americans need facts now more than ever. No spin. Nonsense stops with me. So please go to thefirsttv.com. Find out how you can watch. Also download the First TV app in the App Store. That's thefirsttv.com to catch me, Bill O'Reilly, weeknights at 8 p.m. Eastern. Thefirsttv.com.
This report is sponsored by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
95 south at the brakes after Branch Avenue towards Apple Avenue, northbound slow near the mall towards the state offices exit. 610 back to Dean. There's some minor delays. 146 southbound on the 95. 195 is clear near the Mass State line and the Washington Bridge. 295 smooth. Between Route 44 and Route 6 and Route 37. There are delays on 37 eastbound to westbound between 95 and 295. Jim Stearns with your 7 New England traffic.
Over the years, you've brought opioids into your home. They helped when you were in pain, and you held on to them just in case. But holding on to opioids puts your family at risk. Learn more at www.fda.gov/drug disposal.
From iHeartRadio, #1 for podcasts. Stuff you should know.
The Finders Keepers edition. This is an actual thing. It's not just like a child's fantasy.
Yeah.
It's like, this is law in some places. And while it doesn't actually state losers, reapers, I think it's implied.
Yeah.
It's implicit in the law. The finder is the keeper, but you lost it, so you're legally obligated to weep in public.
This is Ron St. Pierre from News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. You hear me talking every day about news and